So in our video today, we are going to learn how to solve simultaneous equation using elimination method. And we have an example here. So let's name our equations. Equation 1, equation 2. And before we continue, let's look out for these vital things that involves elimination method. So since we are using a elimination method, we are going to look out if we subtract the equations, are we going to eliminate either x or y in order for us to find the value of the other? Or if we add both the equations, are we going to eliminate either x or y in order for us to find the other? Alright, so adding these equations, we will find out that if we add them, we are not going to eliminate either x or y. Alright, so let's check if we subtract them. So subtracting equation 2 from equation 1, we will find out that we are going to eliminate y and find the value of x. Right? So let's continue by saying subtract equation 2 from equation 1. So we are going to have our equation remains 2x plus y equals to 13 and x plus y equals to 8. So let's subtract the equations. 2x minus x will give us x. Y minus y will give us 0. So we have eliminated y equals to, sorry, this is 8, not 18. 13 minus 8 will give us 5. So we have gotten the value of our x as 5. Therefore, x equals to 5. So let's look for our y. And in order for us to find the value of our y, we will either substitute for x as 5 in either equation 1 or equation 2. So in this video, we are substituting for x as 5 in equation 2. So we will simply say put x equals to 5 in equation 2 above. So our equation 2 still remains x plus y equals to 8. So let's substitute for x as 5. We have 5 plus y equals to 8. Y equals to 8. 5 come over here, becomes minus 5. Y equals to 3. So I've gotten our x as 5 and our y as this. So to check if your answer is right, simply substitute for x and y, this value in equation 1 and equation 2. If you substitute it in equation 1, you are going to get this. And if you substitute them in equation 2, you are going to get 8. After substituting them and you did not get back this value, just know that the value of your x and y is wrong. Then you will go all over again to find out where you made your mistake.